The lower dashed portion of the track line constitutes a trend vector. The vector is displaced from the track line when the aircraft begins a turn. The amount of displacement is based on the aircraft position, ground speed, and bank angle. When HSI range is set to 40 miles or more, the trend vector consists of 3 segments, each representing a 30-second interval. With range set at 20 miles, only 2 are displayed. Only 1 segment is displayed with the range of 10 miles. The aircraft heading is now shown by a triangular pointer since the display is referenced to track. The heading bug and dashed line are displayed in the same manner as in the expanded VOR and ILS modes. Waypoints and their identifiers are displayed on the map. The active waypoint is magenta, and the inactive waypoints are white. The distance to the active waypoint is displayed in the upper left corner, and the ETA is shown in the upper right. The origin or destination airport is depicted when within the selected range. A runway center line extension is shown when the HSI range is 40 miles or less. Nav aids being used for navigation are displayed in green. Displayed nav aids include VOR, DME, TECAN, and VORTAC stations. During climbs and descents, a green altitude range arc displays where the MCP reference altitude will be reached based on current ground speed and vertical velocity. A green circle with an appropriate label indicates the vertical profile point on the flight plan as calculated by the FMC. Top of climb, top of descent, step climb, and end of descent points calculated by the FMC are displayed. The vertical deviation scale and pointer show deviation from the FMC calculated descent profile. Full deflection indicates a deviation of 400 feet or more. Holding patterns and procedure turns are displayed when entered in the FMC stored route. Initially, they are a fixed size, expanding to correct size when within 80 miles, and passing the waypoint prior to the fix. Additional data may be displayed on the HSI by using the map switches. Multiple switches can be selected simultaneously. Click on the map switch that will display additional nav aids. Click on the map switch that will display additional nav aids. All nav aids within the HSI range are displayed with a range of 40 miles or less selected. With a range of 80 miles or greater selected, only high-altitude nav aids are displayed. Now click on the nav aid switch to deselect the nav aids, and then click on the switch to display airport data. All airports in the FMC database are displayed when within the HSI range. Now click on the airport switch to deselect the airports and then select additional route data. Additional route data includes the predicted altitude and ETA for crossing each waypoint on the flight plan. Deselect the additional route data and then select waypoint data. With waypoint selected, Intersections that are not part of the flight plan route are displayed in blue. This display only functions with a 40-mile or less range selected to eliminate clutter. Click on the various map data switches and observe the HSI. When finished, click on the right arrow. Now click on the mode selector to select the plan mode. Now click on the mode selector to select the plan mode. The plan mode displays a static map of the flight plan entered in the FMC. This static map is oriented to true north. However, the compass rose is still referenced to aircraft track as in the map mode. The portion of the flight plan route displayed is determined by the range selected. Use of the plan mode will be discussed in more detail in the FMS lesson. Now let's answer a few questions.